commutative or associative? In the commutative, what we have? A operation B is equal to B operation A. This is the property of commutation. Clear? And A operation B operation C is equal to A operation B operation C. This is the property of associativity. Okay. Now, for example, we have A minus B. The operation is given as A minus B and we have to check it for commutative property. So, we can write over here A minus B or B minus A, whether they are equal or not. तो इसको जज करने के लिए यहाँ लिखा हुआ है Z. Z is the what? Yeah. So, then we can take any value of arbitrary value of A, that means 2. For example, B, it is 4. Or we can take A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 1. In this case, I have taken A smaller and here I have taken A bigger digit. Okay. When we substitute different values, here we get 2 minus 4 and here we get 4 minus 2. It is minus 2 and it is 2. They are not equal to each other. Similarly, if we take A the bigger digit and B the smaller digit, then what we will get? 5 minus 1, here 1 minus 5. We get 4 is equal to minus 4. They are not equal to each other. So this operation is not commutative. For the operation, A operation B is equal to A minus B. Now I think mathematical concept is also clear to you. कि ये चीज तुमको समझ में आई थी अपने आप कि तुमने कुछ और समझा था? यही था. ओके. तो इन द सेम वे एसोसिएटिविटी तुम इसको भी कर सकते हो. Here we can take three values. 2, let it be 1, let it be 3. Then 2 operation B operation C, that means 1 minus 3. Then 2 operation, it is minus 2. That means 2 minus minus 2. What we get? 4. Now when we solve for this, A operation B, that is 2 minus 1, operation 3. Here 1, then 1 minus 3, we get minus 2. These two values are different. So this function is not associative. So this function is neither commutative nor associative. In this way, different questions from 1 to 5 you can done easily. Now comes to question number 6. I am going to explain you. Clear? For a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 for infimum operation. Infimum operation. And the symbol of infimum operation is this. Clear? You have to remember this. This is the infimum operation. What is the meaning of infimum operation? That means minimum. Minimum value. Okay? Now we have 3 terms here. 3 elements over here. Make it in this way. 1, 2, 3. Similarly, 1, 2, and 3. Write it over here. Infimum operation. Write over here 1, 2, 3. Also here 1, 2, 3. Understood? Now 1 and 1. Compare these two. What is the minimum value? That is 1. Now 1 and 2. What is the minimum value? 1. Similarly, यहाँ पर 3 and 1. 1. In the next one, we see 2 and 1. Which is the minimum value? 1. Here? 2. Yeah. Here? 2. Very good. Then here? 1. Yeah. 2. Yeah. 3. Yeah. This is the composition table and this is the answer. You can check it. Now the next question. We have to make a composition table for सुपरनमम फंक्शन, इस सुपरनीमियम कुछ फंक्शन होगा, सुपर इन्फीमियम पर ऑपरेशन होता है और इसका साइन ऐसे होता है, इट मींस मैक्सिमम वैल्यू। अब यहां पर इन्होंने एक ऑपरेशन और बढ़ा दिया है 4, है ना? तो हम यहाँ पर क्या चेंज करेंगे, ऐसे ही यहाँ पर ये 4 और यहाँ पर एक और टर्म हो गया 4, टेबल बदल जाएगी, 1 1 पे 1, 1 2 पे यहाँ पे क्या होगा 2, यस, देन 3, या, देन 4, या, नेक्स्ट वन 2, then 2 and 2, 2, then 2 and 3, yeah, then 2 and 4, 4. Remember, maximum, super means maximum and symbol is this V, okay, then 3 and 1 3, then 3, then 3, then 4, similarly 4, 4, 4 and 4. In this way you can make the composition tables, okay. Now the 8th question you can do by your own. If you got problems, then tell me tomorrow, okay, because you have done the commutative and associative properties, so I am not going to tell you. Now the question number 11. Question number 11 on the next page. You will got? Question number 11.
आंटी है नहीं इसी फोन में, तो मैं देख पा रहा हूँ।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 दिया हुआ है, A ऑपरेशन B इज इक्वल टू 2A प्लस B माइनस 3. Find the operation for 3:4. Okay?
हो जाएगा आंटी, आसान है।
कैसे? A की जगह 3, B की जगह 4. तो 2 into 3 plus 4 minus 3. That is 6 plus 4 minus 3. That is 10 minus 3, which is equal to 7.
7.
Clear?
हाँ.
Now similarly, if we have an operation A star B is equal to A to the power B. Question number 14. And the operation is given as 2 operation 3. Then what is the value of A? 2.
2.
What is the value of B? 3.
3.
That means 2 to the power 3.
2 to the power 3,
8. Okay. Now one more question. Next question, if we have 1 operation 2 operation 3. For the
question
same,
number क्या है?
question number 14. Question number 14 part 3rd. For the operation A is to B. And we have 3 terms now. Just concentrate on the blackboard for some time. Firstly, we solve this bracket. So what we get? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. Then A operation B is equal to 1 to the power 2. What is the answer? 1. Then we write 1 over here. 1 operation 3. The value of A is 1. Value of B is 3. Now A to the power B. That is 1 is to power 3. What is the answer? So when we have 3 terms, there is no issue. We solve one by one. Okay? Now the next question, question number 15. Question number 15 I will told you. Question number 16 you will do. Okay? I think half an exercise, or you can also do full exercise. I think some doubts are only left tomorrow. We have a operation A operation B is equal to HCF of A comma B. And the operation is given 22 operation 4. How will you solve it?
आंटी एक की जगह 22, बी की जगह 4 और इनका HCF.
What is the HCF? Find with the help of long division method. 4 5s are 20, then 2, then 4. So HCF is what? 2. Easy? अब इसी तरह से LCM का अगर क्वेश्चन होगा तो वो भी निकाल लोगे बेटा? मैं यहाँ जो बुक में देख रही हूँ,
हाँ,
मेरे ख्याल से कल केवल कुछ थोड़े से डाउट्स बचेंगे, सारे आप कर सकते हो.
हाँ.
ठीक है. Wait a minute. हाँ, one more question is there. नोटबुक में नोट करो. बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन मिला है मुझे. Question is, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, find number of binary operations
आंटी कौन सा क्वेश्चन है?
on
Number.
A. Question number 23. 22 is also there. It is based on this same method, but I have taken the 23. Okay. Now, number of binary operations. The formula for that is 2 to the power m into n. Now, operation on A. That means we have 3 numbers. So, 2 to the power 3 into 3. Clear? That means 2 to the power. Sorry.
9.
Sorry. 3 to the power. Number of elements. 3 to the power 9. Okay. That means what is the format? N to the power n into n. Or you can write n to the power n square. Okay. For example, if I have another set A comma B, then number of element is 2. So number of binary operations 2 to the power 2 into 2. That means 2 to the power 4. When you solve it, you will get